Hi there, students. Chore, a chore, a countable noun, and very often plural, chores. A chore is a routine, boring task, especially household chores, things you have to do. Make the bed, sweep the floor, wash the dishes, clean the windows. All of these are household chores. A chore can be any necessary but tedious job that must be done. It's a chore washing the car, but it's got to be done. Automatic updates to programs on your computer save you the chore of doing it manually. So a chore, an unpleasant task, especially one that's difficult, unpleasant, boring or routine. So when I've written an essay, for me, reading it again is a real chore. Unfortunately, it's a necessary chore, but I find it boring. I know what I've written in the essay, but the chore is making sure everything's correct. Washing the dishes is a chore, but I have to eat off something. Well, maybe I could eat out of the pan. Some people find working in the garden a chore, but personally, I enjoy it. So a chore, a boring duty, a burden, a hassle, a fag. Well, that's a different use of fag. I'm certain you all know about chores. We all have chores that we have to do. These things that have to be done, but they're boring and difficult or time-consuming to do. My mum is always complaining that I don't help with the household chores. Very often we say something is a chore. This means it's boring, when I'm not motivated to do it. So going to visit my aunt every weekend is a chore. I'd much rather do something else. What a chore it is having to pick up the kids from school. If you find learning English is a chore, then you need to discover some new motivation, because if it's a chore, it's difficult to do and you won't make so much progress. So a chore, a boring routine task, especially the jobs that you have to do around the house. So what about formality? I think this is a 5 formality. It's flexible, use it anywhere. You could say a boring job, but a chore is a great way of saying that. And what about the origin? Well, in Middle English we have the word char, meaning odd job, an occasion or a turn. So the odd job, yes. And there's even a Proto-Indo-European word, gers, meaning turn or bend. So clearly the meaning has turned over the years. So a chore, a routine, boring task. Wash the dishes, clean the windows, cut the grass, etc. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Chore.